So apparently we just flipped off the guy that was behind us. Now there's two cars behind us. Not very far. Wait, not very close. But yeah. Still on the road. This is good old Madison County. I got Madison County blood flowing through my veins, as y'all know. Beautiful area. Most people don't get to enjoy this part of the area in exactly the same manner as I am right now. We're still alive and filming and kicking it. Yeah! This is the raft that we took on the river. Absolutely, hopefully once in a lifetime opportunity to take footage of this nature. Because hopefully I won't be riding in a truck like this ever again. But as for now, I'm feeling chill.